next oh my god, I can't speak. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you a trick or treat subscription box unboxing. Let's get straight in and see what's inside. Here's what it looks like. So the things that fell out were some stickers. Who doesn't like stickers? And then I'm going to take this because it's like screaming at me. It is a necklace. Oh, cute. So I think it's reversible. One side is like black with little specks of glitter, and the other side is silver. I could be wrong, and with glitter, but I could be wrong. Maybe it is one side, but it's a cute necklace. The next item is a sign, and we also got a sign in the previous box. This one is acrylic, and it says, if you've got it, haunt it. Look how shiny that is. That's so satisfying. Put fingerprints all over it. Now that's cute. I don't know where I'd hang it though. I've got too many signy stuff. I don't know if you can look at all that. Don't have a lot of room in this bedroom, so yes, I'm not sure where I would put it. So there's this big thing, and I think it could be a pillowcase. It is a tote bag, and it says Bad Vibes. I like the print, but the bag is weird. I don't know what sort of fabric this is. Yeah, I'm not sure what fabric that is, but it's a bit. The last item is new pillows. The last item is a print. That's cool. That's cool. Does it tell us the artist? No. I don't know who the artist is, but it's a very nice piece of artwork. So the sign was $4.99, the tote bag was $9.99, the art print was $9.99, the necklace was $6.99, and the sticker pack was 99p. And apparently the box is worth $32.95. I would not pay £10 for this because of the way that the border has been cut, and it's just printed on a glossy bit of card. So I definitely would not pay £10 for that. No offence to whoever the artist is. And I wouldn't pay £10 for this tote bag either. But each to their own. Some people might. The laser in I would happily pay £5 for, because my dad has a laser cutter and I know that this takes time. So yeah, I would definitely pay a £5 for that. 99p for the sticker pack. Yeah, they're die cut ones. They're cute as well. They're worth that. And the bat necklace is $6.99. Yeah, once again, I would pay that because it is acrylic and I know that this can be a bugger to cut. So that is the trick or treat box. It's a bit more Halloween-y vibed, this one. If you want to win this oh my god, I can't speak. If you want to win this necklace, put a bat emoji, and the first person that does it will win this. Good luck. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of me, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. if you are new here, hello. And if you are a regular, thank you so much for all your continued support. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.